I need some energy this morning. How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here. And in today's video, me and a buddy of mine from work, Logan, you'll see here in a second, are heading up to Fuzed LED to get new lights installed into his truck. So we'll take you up there. Hopefully we're going to his new shop, so we'll see all the layout and stuff like that. He's got a new shop. Very, very proud of Fuzed. He's come a long way since I met him. I'm so proud of you, man. It's freaking awesome. Should be a good time. Should be a fantastic time. Logan just showed up in his F-150. It's a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, full drive, like Texas edition or something like that. It's a really cool trim package on that truck. I feel so bad for him because the original 3.5 liter in that truck, when he first bought it, we're pretty sure after we talked about it and stuff like that, it threw the oil pump and just shot the motor completely. And we all felt so bad for him at work because that just sucks. But he got a new motor put in, and it seems to be running, knock on wood, seems to be running great. But he's got a leveling kit on it, 34-inch tall tires on stock wheels for right now, and we're about to put, like I said, the new Fuzed LED headlights in. So we're going up to his new shop right now. I'm extremely excited to see this new shop. And like I said, the reason why I switched from Fuzed LED, like I've said in previous videos, is like I said, he's got awesome products. They're very reasonably priced compared to a lot of other LED companies, and he's 20 minutes from my house. Like literally, if I have any questions, anything goes wrong on a setup I have or a friend's setup or whatever, I can shoot straight up the interstate and be at his house or the shop in like 20 minutes, which is awesome. I know a lot of you have been asking where the content's been lately, and I just posted a video recently, so go check that out. But if you haven't followed me yet, follow me on my second channel, TW After Hours. Link is down in the description. Tag will be popping up in the video. It's non-truck related. It's all like about dirt bikes, guns, four-wheelers, excuse me, stuff like that. So if you're into all that kind of stuff and the craziness that we do every day on the farm and stuff like that, go check that out, because I'm filming a lot more content on that video. Like, don't get me wrong, the truck content's coming and stuff like that, but I'm having a lot of fun with that second channel, guys. We are now here at the new Fuzed LED headquarters. We have moved out from his garage to now having a full-fledged workshop out here. Pretty much a lot more room, and we're gonna do Logan's truck here in a minute. He's got Tacoma in right now, though. He did a full swap in the front end and all that fun jazz, and it looks also epic. So Logan, are you excited about this?
Stoked.
Stoked? Okay,
stoked.
All right. Make sure Instagram name's popping up. Make sure you follow him. Ladies, if you are single, he is single. The 1% of women that do follow me and watch me on YouTube, he is single, so hit him up. Anyways, but yeah, this is a big, bright new shop. I am very happy for him. He's done a fantastic job. Like I said, guys, any lighting needs, hit up Fuzed LED because you will not be disappointed. 18-month warranty, and if you are local to the area, he does install too. So hit him up for that kind of stuff. So we have started the tear down on Logan's truck. We got one headlight out. Now I do wish all manufacturers would put their headlights in, and you can take them out as easy as the Fords. Fords makes it so much easier on these 2000, and I think they started this body style in late 09 to 14. It makes everything so much easier to work on these. EcoBoost. So the first bulb is in. Logan went with a 5,000 lumens piece per bulb, which is the F1 series. Michael is doing some filming and photography of the other ones. This is a kind of a newer bulb he's got out for the truck. But let me tell you, there is a major difference between the stock one and then the F1 series bulb. So if you want some for your F-150, go on FusedLED.com, look them up. Like I said, he's going to have a video coming out on how to install them, because it's not necessarily plug and play with these style of headlights. You have to do some cutting and some modification, but it is 100% worth it. So, Logan, how do you like it so far, buddy?
That's freaking awesome, man. Those are amazing.
Those are so bright. And the cool thing is, like when I first hooked up with Michael at Fuzed LED, we went over, you know, one of my biggest gripes about other manufacturers was the noise of the fan. Like, I don't want to hear the noise. Even with these stupid powerful ones, you don't hear the fans running, which is amazing. So this is like a little mini jet engine going off in front of your truck. So we're going to swap over to the other side, and let's get that done. We've got Logan's new lights, and like I said, F1 Plus series, 5,000 lumens a piece. This is the low beam. Hit the high beam, Logan. Yeah, that's bright. Yeah, you're gonna be able to see just fine at night. That's bright, extremely bright. So he just filmed how to install this side, which is again vice versa. It's the exact same on both sides. So when you buy these lights, if you don't know what you're doing, please go on the website, look up that video. He'll have it up here shortly, and you should be good to go. But that's really bright. We're gonna install Logan's new fog lights real quick. They're like an LED fog light, basically, that replaces the old aftermarket or stock, just normal halogen bulbs. They're gonna be bright too. So he's going from stock headlights to a rolling sun, pretty much going down the road. Piss off everybody in your hometown.
Absolutely.
We got Logan's new fog lights in. They look really, really good. Match the truck really, really well, the way they're set up to where his headlights are. So they look really good. We're gonna fire them up here in a second, see how they look. Oh, that looks so good. Just your marker lights and then...
Oh, I love that. During like late evening dust time.
Mackie is doing his photos for the website. Logan's got all his stuff installed in the truck, so he should be good to go. Logan's rolling out. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I want to thank Fuzed LED for helping Logan out. I very much appreciate that, man. You're awesome. If you all are seriously in the market for an LED upgrade, I highly recommend it, of course. But use them. Like I said, he's 20 minutes from me. I know the guy personally. I know his work ethic. I know his products. They are phenomenal. Don't have any complaints with it. Logan is now a literal rolling sun. Like, that is no joke. The kid is a rolling sun. So, if y'all need some, like I said, LED headlights, hit them up. Huge shout out to you, Logan. Thanks for coming all the way up here. I know it's been a little bit of a drive, but thank you for coming up here and allowing him to do that for you. I appreciate that. Other than that, guys, I hope you all enjoy this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the Trucks Warren family. We're constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.